Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to do the Blink example in the Arduino IDE on the BreadBoard Blox. This is an ESP32C3 module. We're going to plug it into the BreadBoard block. This is a current limiting resistor for the LED. This is a 330 ohm. This is a green LED. Note that the longer pin on the LED is positive, and that's what we want on the pin. We're hooking it to IO number 2 on the module. Now open up Sketch, go down to Examples, and then underneath Basic and Blink. Now what we want to do is we want to define the LED pin as IO pin 2. That's where we have our LED hooked up. So we need to change the code a little bit here. We'll define the pin, and then we'll copy it here and paste it in the setup so that it configures it correctly, and then in the loop so that it blinks it, writes to it. Then go ahead and compile it and make sure that everything's okay. And then we need to make sure that we have the right module selected. We need to make sure that we're on the right COM port that the module is connected to. Now go ahead and upload it. Now you can see it here hooked up and blinking. This has been blinky from the examples in the Arduino Sketch using the BreadBoard Blox. Please check out our website and subscribe to our email.